Good afternoon. I am the Brigadier General Reynaldo G. Champidi, AFP retired, the Barangay Chairman of Barangay Diklum. We have requested this from the ICT-10 this Wi-Fi connections, considering that we have established our web page. Once we have the ICT Wi-Fi, we will be able to maximize or fulfill our vision for that digitalization. So compared to previous days that we have not yet received this ICT Wi-Fi, our constituents have difficulties in connecting with our website or web page. But now that we have already been provided by the ICT-10 of this Wi-Fi connection, I am glad and happy that we will be connected fully to our constituents, particularly that this is a free Wi-Fi connection. I'm hoping that our vision for digitalization for Barangay Diklum will really prosper and will be successful, considering that with our current situation, with our current time, more people are taking their time or taking the issues from the internet connections. And we are, I consider we are very lucky barangay to receive this free Wi-Fi connection from the ICT-10. So to the ICT-10, thank you very much for this opportunity and for these blessings. I consider it as a blessing for Barangay Diklum. I'm grateful that Barangay Diklum is already part of the national government program of Walang Iwanan sa Bayanihan Digital Program. We are happy that Barangay Diklum is already part of this national government program of the ICT program na Walang Iwanan sa Digital Bayanihan Program.